Hello everyone, it is me, QuilsGlory. Thank you for coming back to my channel once again. As you can see, I have my wig cap on. Today I will be trying out a new wig. This is called the Neesha Wig. I have loved the Neesha Wig for a very long time. The original Neesha Wig was, I would have to say, my favorite. It was so full of beautiful, natural textured, coarse hair, and I just loved it. But they've transitioned quite a bit to a much shorter, condensed down Neesha Wig. They have different versions, but this is the Neesha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig. It is in the color 1B. This is Neesha 203. And today I will be applying that to my hair, and I wanted you all to take a look and see if you like it, and hopefully you all too will go out and purchase this wig and give it a try. So let's get started. Okay, so once the wig is out of its packaging, this is how it looks. It's quite long, but as you can see, there is a lace in the front. I do not like working with laces currently at the moment, so I will be cutting that off. So once again, if you've seen my other videos with my lace wigs, I like to cut the lace at the edge right there on the perimeter, and then we'll apply it. So you just take your scissors, and what I like to do is I like to clip, I don't know if you all can see that, but I like to clip the center, and then I just do one side at a time. It just makes it easier for me, but that's just an option for you all to use. Okay, so let me first say with this wig, it's originally a side part, but I love a middle part. So I will be wearing this wig as a middle part. And as you can see, I have gone ahead and cut the lace. I will be applying a little bit of foundation to the inside where that lace is, just so that it's a darker color and it matches my skin tone. That also is optional. I've never quite really had an issue with the color of this lace. As you can see, it is quite natural, and that is what I love to go for when choosing my wigs. Okay, so I applied a little bit of powder. I don't know if you can really tell. It does not need a whole lot of help, so a little bit goes a long way for these wigs. So let's go ahead and apply this. I'm just gonna pull my wig cap back a little bit. I like for it to look a little realistic, so I like to have that little line there lined up just a little behind the hairline. And this also comes with clips, so you want to go ahead and just put those clips in where they go. And voila, how simple is that? That is just effortless. I love how lightweight this hair comes. But I absolutely love the natural texture of it. This is a synthetic wig, so I do not recommend using heat. I have seen some young ladies use heat to straighten out the front, but in my opinion, I wouldn't even try that if you're not that comfortable with it. So I will not be applying heat, but I love the way it comes. I do not pluck my part. I don't like the extra wide part. Smaller the better, because over time synthetic hair does shed, so you will lose some hair. So I don't go out of my way to pluck the hair, because over time, like I said, some of the hair will shed. People would never know this was a wig if you didn't tell them. you know. So I just love it. There's so many things you can do. You can add clips to it. I prefer the natural look of it. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share that with you all. Please comment below if you all have tried this before. If you all have any recommendations on other natural texture like wigs that are simple, easy to put on. But I absolutely love this wig. So thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at QuilsGlory, where I post jewelry of the days. If you all don't know by now, I am jewelry obsessed. I love accessories, so please stick around. I have more videos to come with accessory hauls and everything else that I absolutely love. I will be sharing with you all over time. So thank you for watching.